What if I told you there's a place on Earth where rain has almost never fallen? No storms, no clouds bringing showers, just endless dry land stretching farther than the eye can see. It sounds like another planet, but it's right here on Earth. Welcome to the Atacama Desert, a landscape so unique that it challenges our understanding of life and weather. This introduction sets the stage for a journey into one of the most extreme environments on our planet, where dryness reigns and survival is a daily challenge. Imagine standing in a landscape so dry that scientists actually test Mars rovers there. The Atacama Desert is one of the closest environments on Earth to the red planet. Its barren terrain and lack of moisture make it an ideal testing ground for technology meant to explore Mars. This connection between Earth and space exploration highlights just how extreme the Atacama's conditions are, and why it fascinates researchers from around the world. Atacama Desert is located in northern Chile, nestled between the Pacific Ocean and the towering Andes Mountains. Its unique position on the map contributes to its remarkable dryness. The desert stretches across a vast area, offering a landscape that is both beautiful and unforgiving. Understanding its location helps us appreciate the factors that make it the driest non-polar desert in the world. Atacama Desert holds the title of the driest non-polar desert on Earth. Some weather stations in this region have never recorded measurable rainfall since they were installed. In certain areas, years or even decades can pass without a single drop of rain. This astonishing fact sets the Atacama apart from other deserts and makes it a subject of scientific curiosity. You might wonder how a place can be so dry. The answer lies in geography. The Atacama Desert is trapped between two giant barriers, the Andes Mountains and the Chilean Coast Range. These natural walls block moist air from both the east and the west, creating an almost rainless zone. This unique setup is a key reason why the Atacama remains so dry year after year. Andes Mountains play a crucial role in the Atacama's dryness. These towering peaks block moist air coming from the east, preventing rain clouds from reaching the desert. The Andes act as a massive barrier, shaping the climate and keeping the Atacama in a perpetual state of dryness. This mountain range is one of the main reasons why the desert is so unique. On the other side, the Chilean Coast Range blocks moisture from the Pacific Ocean. This second barrier ensures that little to no rain reaches the Atacama from the west. The combination of these two mountain ranges creates a unique environment where dryness dominates and rain is almost unheard of. There's another factor at play, the Humboldt Current. This cold ocean current flows along the coast of Chile, cooling the air above the Pacific Ocean. Cold air can't hold much water vapor, so clouds rarely grow large enough to produce rain. The Humboldt Current is a key reason why the Atacama remains so dry even with the ocean nearby. Because the air is so cold and dry, clouds rarely form over the Atacama Desert. Without clouds, there's no rain and the landscape remains barren. This lack of cloud cover is a defining feature of the desert, contributing to its reputation as one of the harshest places on Earth. Instead of rain, the Atacama Desert often gets a mysterious fog called camanchaca. This fog drifts across the desert during the early morning, providing tiny droplets of water. While it doesn't bring rainfall, camanchaca is vital for life in the Atacama, offering a rare source of moisture in an otherwise dry environment. Camanchaca fog doesn't bring rain, but it provides tiny droplets of water that some plants and animals have learned to collect. This fog is a lifeline for many living things in the Atacama, helping them survive in a place where rainfall is almost non-existent. The ability to use fog as a water source is a remarkable adaptation. Life in the Atacama Desert is incredibly tough, yet somehow living things have adapted to survive. From tiny insects to special desert plants, each organism has developed unique strategies to cope with the extreme dryness. The Atacama is a testament to the resilience of life even in the harshest conditions. Tiny insects in the Atacama have learned to collect moisture from the fog. They use their bodies and specialized behaviors to capture water droplets, ensuring their survival in a place where liquid water is rare. These adaptations are a fascinating example of how life can thrive against the odds. Special desert plants in the Atacama absorb water directly from humid air. These plants have evolved to make the most of the tiny droplets provided by the camanchaca fog. Their ability to survive without rainfall is a remarkable feat of nature, showing just how adaptable life can be. Even foxes, birds, reptiles, and insects manage to survive in the Atacama Desert. Each species has its own unique way of coping with the lack of water, from seeking shade to hunting at night. The diversity of life in the Atacama is a testament to the power of adaptation and resilience. Some microorganisms in the Atacama Desert hide inside rocks or underground where they can find traces of moisture. These tiny life forms are experts at surviving in extreme conditions, using every available resource to stay alive. Their presence shows that even the harshest environments can support life. Adaptation is key to survival in the Atacama Desert. Every plant and animal has developed unique strategies to cope with the lack of water. From collecting fog droplets to hiding underground, these adaptations are essential for life in one of the world's driest places. Despite the harsh conditions, humans have lived in the Atacama Desert for thousands of years. Indigenous communities developed ingenious ways to collect water and grow food using the resources available to them. Their resilience and creativity are a testament to the human spirit. Ancient peoples in the Atacama used clever techniques to collect water from fog and underground sources. These methods allowed them to survive and thrive in an environment where rainfall was almost non-existent. Their knowledge and skills are still admired today. Today, scientists study the Atacama Desert to learn more about extreme environments and adaptation. Research here helps us understand how life can survive with almost no water and provides insights into climate, geology, and even the search for life on other planets. The Atacama's similarity to Mars makes it a valuable site for testing space technology. Scientists use the desert to simulate Martian conditions, preparing for future missions to the Red Planet. This connection between Earth and space exploration is both exciting and important. The Atacama Desert features unique landscapes from salt flats to rocky outcrops and sand dunes. Each area has its own character, shaped by the extreme dryness and geological forces. Exploring these landscapes reveals the beauty and diversity of the desert. Salt flats are a common feature in the Atacama Desert. These vast white expanses are formed by the evaporation of water, leaving behind layers of salt. Salt flats are both beautiful and harsh, reflecting the desert's extreme conditions. Rocky outcrops dot the Atacama Desert, providing shelter for plants and animals. These formations are shaped by wind and time, creating unique habitats in an otherwise barren landscape. The rocks are a reminder of the desert's geological history. Sand dunes are another striking feature of the Atacama Desert. These shifting hills of sand are sculpted by wind, creating patterns and shapes that change over time. The dunes add to the desert's sense of mystery and beauty. The Atacama Desert experiences extreme temperatures with scorching days and chilly nights. These temperature swings add to the challenges faced by plants, animals, and people living in the region. Adaptation is essential for survival. On rare occasions, rain does fall in the Atacama Desert. When this happens, the landscape transforms and dormant seeds burst into life. These rare rain events are celebrated by locals and scientists alike as they reveal the hidden potential of the desert. After rare rainfalls, the Atacama Desert can experience a phenomenon known as the desert bloom. Flowers and plants suddenly appear, covering the landscape with color. This brief burst of life is a reminder of the desert's hidden vitality. The Atacama Desert is also famous for its clear skies, making it a hub for astronomy. Observatories are built here to take advantage of the lack of clouds and light pollution. The desert's unique conditions allow scientists to study the stars and planets in unprecedented detail. Several world-class observatories are located in the Atacama Desert. These facilities use advanced technology to explore the universe, taking advantage of the desert's perfect conditions for stargazing. The Atacama is a gateway to the cosmos. The Atacama Desert attracts adventurers and tourists from around the world. Its unique landscapes, clear skies, and fascinating history make it a popular destination. Visitors come to explore, learn, and experience the desert's wonders firsthand. San Pedro de Atacama is a gateway town for exploring the desert. It offers visitors a chance to experience local culture, history, and the natural beauty of the region. The town is a hub for adventure and discovery. The Atacama Desert is home to a rich local culture. Indigenous traditions, crafts, and festivals are an important part of life here. Visitors can learn about the history and customs of the people who have lived in the desert for generations. Living in the Atacama Desert presents many challenges, from finding water to coping with extreme temperatures. People, plants, and animals must constantly adapt to survive. These challenges shape the character of the region and its inhabitants. Resourcefulness is essential in the Atacama Desert. Whether it's collecting fog water, building shelters, or finding food, every action requires creativity and ingenuity. The desert inspires solutions to problems that would seem impossible elsewhere. The Atacama Desert is also known for its mining industry. Rich deposits of minerals, especially copper and lithium, are found here. Mining has shaped the economy and landscape of the region, bringing both opportunities and challenges. Mining and human activity in the Atacama Desert raise environmental concerns. Protecting the delicate balance of the ecosystem is important for preserving its unique character. Efforts are underway to ensure sustainable development and conservation. The Atacama Desert's sunny climate makes it an ideal location for solar energy projects. Vast solar farms harness the power of the sun, providing clean energy for Chile and beyond. Solar energy is a promising solution for the region's future. The Atacama Desert faces future challenges, from climate change to resource management. Scientists and local communities are working together to find solutions that protect the desert and its inhabitants. The future of the Atacama depends on careful stewardship. The Atacama Desert is globally significant for its unique environment, scientific research, and cultural heritage. Its lessons about adaptation, resilience, and sustainability are relevant to people everywhere. The desert's story is one of survival and innovation. The Atacama Desert teaches us valuable lessons about adaptation and resilience. Its plants, animals, and people show that life can thrive even in the harshest conditions. These lessons inspire us to face challenges with creativity and determination. The Atacama Desert is a place like no other on Earth. Its extreme dryness, unique landscapes, and resilient life forms make it a wonder of nature. Exploring the Atacama reveals the beauty and mystery of our planet's most challenging environments. Endless dry land stretches across the Atacama, creating a sense of vastness and solitude. This landscape is both beautiful and intimidating, reminding us of the power and unpredictability of nature. The desert's endless horizons invite exploration and reflection. Survival in the Atacama Desert is a story of overcoming odds. Every living thing, from microorganisms to humans, demonstrates remarkable resilience and ingenuity. The desert's harsh conditions push life to its limits but also inspire innovation and hope. Atacama Desert is a place of wonders, from its mysterious fog to its resilient life forms and stunning landscapes. Its story is one of adaptation, survival, and discovery. As we reflect on the Atacama, we are reminded of the incredible diversity and strength of life on Earth and the importance of protecting our planet's unique environments.